this question displayed on the screen. We're given a body which is uniformly retardated comes to rest in 4 seconds. That is our t is equals to what? Sorry, in 5 seconds. That means our t is equals to what? 5 seconds. After traveling a distance of what? 10 meters. That is what? Our distance is what? 10 meters. And our final velocity is what? Is equals to 0. Because they say it comes to rest. And we're being asked to what? Calculate our initial velocity. Okay, now let's write out all the formulas, all the equation of motion formulas. That is, we have what? S is equals to what? Ut plus half at square. Then we have v is equals to what? U plus at. Then we have v square is equals to what? U square plus 2as. Okay. Take note of the formulas that deals with the velocity. If you notice, the 3 formulas has what? Initial velocity. Well, let's write out our parameters first to know the right formula to use. Okay. So after we have done with writing our parameters, then if you notice the three formulas that we can use to find our initial velocity as what? Acceleration. But we're not given acceleration. So first thing we need to do is what? To calculate what? Acceleration. Using what? Either v is equals to what? U plus at. Then you make a the solution of the formula. Or use what? Directly. A is equals to what? V minus u over t. Okay. Then your final velocity is what? 0. Your initial velocity, you just leave it as what? U. Then you use what? You solve it. That to give you what? Acceleration is equals to what? Minus u over 5. Now to use the formula to solve the appropriate formula to find our initial velocity. We can use any of the other formula present, but for me, I will use v square is equals to what? U square plus what? 2ax. Since we're given our distance, we're given what? Final velocity to be 0. So it will just be what? 0 is equals to what? U square plus 2as. So you bring u to the other side. It will be what? U square is equals to what? Minus 2as. Okay? So you insert your value. It will be what? Minus 2 times what? Minus 2 times what? Minus u over 5 times 10. So it will be what? U square is equals to what? 0 square plus 4u. So you bring this 4u to the other side to meet what? To meet u square. So it will be what? U square minus 4u is equals to 0. Then that one, there are 2 ways of either solving that question. First of all, you have to factorize for the two. You have to factorize for the 2 methods. Okay. Let's factorize our u. So it will be what? U open bracket u minus v, u minus 4, sorry, close bracket is equals to what? 0. So there are 2 ways of solving this question. I can either say directly that my u is equals to 0 and my u minus 4 is equals to 0. Then bring minus 4 to the other side. That will be what? U is equals to what? 4. Then since we were being told that our final velocity is not 0, then our initial velocity is not 0, so no final velocity. Then our answer for that question is what? U is equals to 4. Well, I can first decide to what? Divide both sides by u. 0 over u or 0 over any number will still give us what? 0. So it is what? U minus 4 is equals to 0. But for simplicity, I'm going with this other method. First of all, I will divide both sides by what? U. Okay? So I will have what? U minus 4 is equals to 0. So if we bring u to the other side, the sign will change. That is what? U is equals to 4. Then don't forget your units, meters per seconds. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye for now.